Hello student, good afternoon. Myself Dr. Jitendra Kumar, Faculty of Agricultural Science at Allied Industries, Rama University Kanpur. Today I will discuss very important topic in here, canning of fruits and vegetable crops. What is canning? Canning is defined when the foods are stored in the containers, not for containers, other materials are used in like that plastic bags and plastic polythene used in canning, and also it is air tightly used in the process for canning. And second is principle of canning. What is the principle of canning? First is destruction of spoilage organism within the sealed container by the heat. When the food products are stored in the containers, then the first principles of destruction of spoilage organism in the sealed containers by the heat. When then we are used in the heat, so that spoilage are reduced. And second is to improve the texture, flavor and appearance by cooking. When we are cooking in the high temperature and air tightly containers, to improve the product texture and flavor also. And third point is to stop recontamination of food during storage. How to food or product process storage in future time and long time is known as canning. And who is the father of canning? Father of canning is known as Nicholas Appert. It is given by 1804, and now then we are studying in here what is the processes of canning. Number one, selection of fruits and vegetables. It is the very important process of the canning. Without fresh fruits are not selected, then we are not started the how to make the canning. And here are mentioned in the fresh vegetable like that without infection and without busting and without infectional effect of the fruits and vegetable crops. And second is grading. Grading is the main important of the cooling method. Without grading is not canning process is proceed. Different type grading are here mentioned, like that how to fruits are collect in the market. When we are going to the market, we are looking that different fruits like that big size, small size and lower size, and different color here are mentioned, yellow color, red color. So this is the grading method. And third, after grading we are use the washing. When the grading is completed, then the fruits are washed. When we are started the canning process, after grading the fruits are washed in simple water, and you use the drinking water, and after the use the washing completed the method, then we use the peeling method. Peeling, it means removal of the outer of fruit crops, and different types method are here included in. First is flame peeling. Flame peeling is also known as when we are flame in the gas or stove is known as flame peeling. For example, we are know that onion and garlic, it is the example of the flame peeling. And second, it is the hand peeling. Hand peeling, it is means that when we used large size fruit crops and eating the mangoes, oranges, when we are used in the hand peeling. And third point is steam peeling. Steam peeling, it means hot water, hot water and temperature is above 100 degree centigrade, then we are used in the steam plague. And the example for the steam plague like that potato and carrot for etc. And the fourth point is the mechanical peeling. Mechanical peeling, it means like that knife or other mechanical methods. For example of the mechanical method, it is the carrot and onion and different example of used in the mechanical peeling. Live peeling, it is the very important of the canning of the fruits and vegetable crops, because it is used in the chemically. Chemically, it means caustic soda are used in the live peeling. Live peeling used in the, when we are used in the live peeling fruits and vegetable crops, then the work after 1 to 3 minutes, the skin is loose, and then after we are remove the outer skin of the fruits and vegetable crop easily. And after in this method completed, when we used fifth point, cutting. After removing of the peeling of the fruits and vegetable crops, then the fruits and vegetable crops are selected and cutting into small pieces of the fruits and vegetable crops. After the cutting, we are used in the next method. What is blanching? Blanching, it means to inactivate the enzyme of the fruits and vegetable crops. It means when we are heated in the fruits and vegetable crops in gas stoves, then the fruits and vegetables to inactivate. Inactivate means the changing of the different morphological characters is also known as blanching. After blanching method, then we are used cooling. Cooling, it means after blanch, the dip the fruits and vegetable crops in the drinking water, or different water are used in the cooling. After cooling, we are used in the filling method. Filling method, it means when we are ready, or the product we are fill in the bottles or cans. Especially in here attention, when the product are filled in the bottles, the temperature not below 79 degree centigrade above. And after filling, we are used exhausting. Exhausting means when the products are filled in the bottles or cans, the exhaustings are used. Exhausting means removal of air in the bottles or cans in air tightly, is also known as exhausting. After exhausting, we are used in sealing. When the bottles are removed in air, remove of the air in the bottles, then they sealed the bottles. Like that, we are used in the different waxing used in bottles, and then after the cans are cool, after we are used in the water for the cooling, and then the cans are cooled, then we are used in labeling. Labeling means when the most of the products are prepared, then different cans, bottles and plastic bottles are ready. Then different types of marketing price or different trades names and different company or logo names are labeled in the bottles, is also known as labeling, are called as labeling. And then when the labeled in the bottles or plastic bottles, then after use the storage. Storage means when the our product are prepared, then the long time how to protect the product for canning purpose, then we use the storage. Storage, it means the different types temperature are used in the can bottle, like that 10 to 15 degrees centigrade, 30 to 35 degrees centigrade, etc. And I hope student you are understand this topic in here. Okay, thank you.